These are my finds from the dig I was on. This was probably multiple different trips. Can't remember. This is 6 months after I found these. So it's been a while. The first find is this None Such Manufacturing Co. Limited, Toronto. This was a stove polish bottle. Dates around the turn of the century. All these finds do. Hand blown. You can see the seam kind of goes right off in here. Next is this Nortman and Lehman cure bottle. Internal and external use. Extremely common. Find these bottles a lot. Hand blown again. Tooled top. Seam fades right around there. Probably the best bottle find is this Imperial Extract Co. Toronto. I have one already, but it's got a little chip there. This one's mint, so it's an improvement. Not much to say about it. It's just an extract bottle, but got a nice little crude top, hand blown again. Crooked neck. For the relics, I got a sleigh bell. It's got some of the nickel plating on it still. And the ringer, but it's nothing but a rust ball. I like finding these sleigh bells just because they're old, probably before cars were being used. Can't remember if I found this button on this dig or another dig. I might have filmed it in another video and didn't show it on the cleanup. Can't remember. But it's got some Cupid person on it. Some gold gilding left on. It's a 2-piece button. It was pretty mangled when I found it. I actually pried up around here, took this piece off, and there's a little leather washer thing in the center holding it in place. So that was kind of interesting. But I gave it a nice thorough cleaning the best I could, straightened it out the best I could. And that's what it turned out to look like. That's the hole where the string would go. No maker's mark, but it is a pretty large size button, so cool find. Lastly, I got this intact frozen Charlotte doll. First intact one I've ever found. Probably English made. Cool find to go with my relics. These are the finds from that dig. I hope you enjoyed this video.